This AI agent workflow will scrape all your competitors' viral Instagram posts and reels. You can get them in your Airtable with their caption, likes, views, and the video itself. So let's get started. You have to start with the simple triggered node. Open it and you can either choose monthly, weekly or days. I have chosen weekly and I have chosen once a week and it's on Saturday at midnight. So if you choose different option, you will get different option. If you choose a month, you will get different options. So choose accordingly. Then we will connect your scheduled trigger with a Google Sheet node. Open your Google Sheet and write in username with a bold letter as a header of column, and underneath that you need to put in the username of your competitors. For example, mine is Harmozy and Leila Harmozy. They're not my competitors, but I really like them. I really admire both of them. So once you create that, go to N8n again, open Google Sheet and put in your this credential. Sheet within documents, get row. This is to retrieve data from the sheet. Once you put in your credential, you will automatically get all the sheets in your Google Sheet. So choose the one where you have put your username and the sheet number. Once you do that, connect it to your HTTP request. So go to Google and search for epify.com. Epify.com. Go to Epify store. Search for Instagram scraper. This one. Click on it and choose this one. Crafted by Epify. Go over here, API, click on it and click on API endpoint. Scroll down under this, run actor synchronously and get data set in items. Click on this I button, you will get this entire API token. Copy this entire thing. Go back to N8n and paste that link over here in URL. Then click on send body. Go back to Instagram scraper. Under information, you will get this JSON. Click on it and copy this entire thing. Go back to N8n again. Click on expression and then click over here and paste that JSON code over here. Then you will connect it to your edit field. Why did we put edit field? It's because once you scrape all the data from your competitors Instagram, it will scrape a lot of unnecessary data as well. We only need the ones which are important to us. For example, for me, it's caption, the username, likes and views and the URL of the video. So you can choose accordingly how you prefer. Then we will choose sort node. This is for views. For me, for my sheet, for my list, I want the most viewed video on the top, video play count and in a descending order. So the top video will be on the top and the low views video will be at the bottom. Then we will connect it to our limit. So if you choose like a month, you want to schedule a trigger once a month, it will retrieve a lot of videos that your competitors have uploaded in a month. So if you want just like 20 videos, 30 videos, this node is for that purpose. So for me, it's the 20 videos. I just want 20 videos in last 1 week. You can change however you want. Then finally, we will connect it to your Airtable node. Open it and we will connect our Airtable to our N8n. To do that, go to airtable.com Go at the left bottom, click on account, click over here builders hub, click create token, name whatever you want, and over here add a base. Once you click that, you will get all the base you have in your Airtable. So mine was untitled base, so you choose that and then press on create token. So I already have one, so I will not create it again. Then once you put in your credential, you will automatically get all the tables you have in your Airtable. So mine was untitled base. So you have to create this table before you connect your N8n or your Airtable node to your Airtable. So I have wrote caption, influencer, likes, views, comments, and videos. So this is the same column we have, which we had in our edit field. We want caption, username, likes, views, comments, and URL. These are all the same columns I had in edit field. So before you connect your this Airtable node to your Airtable, make sure to make this. Once you do that, once you connect your Airtable, you will automatically get all your columns over here, and you drag your variables from your schema to here, and that's it. You will get all your competitors data over here.